Hello, I'm in a 2005 Chevy Tahoe, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the inside here, you go down and you should see a little lever with a little resistance, but you pull and hear like a pop sound for the release. So you see what the back side looks like. See this cable, you should be attached, should have a tiny bit of resistance. If it's not, for some reason, you'll need to go under this plastic or wherever to find it and reattach it. And now we'll go up to the front. You can see it's popped, so there's a little release here now, so you can fit your hand in here. And then most cars, the lever's towards the middle. Found it right here. This one we're going to push up and pull open. So it hooks on right there. And this is what this latch looks like with this lever. If it's not working right at this point, maybe this is a little off center. Maybe the hood's not quite centered right. So if you get that adjusted and lined up right, maybe there's some debris in here you can clean up, or some WD-40. Get this going again. And then you should be able to see in there too that cable I mentioned that leads up to the driver's side. Glad I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.